Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Technical difficulties with computers and so forth interrupted with giving my forecast and sending out emails and so forth and making a video. So you clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 31st through June 12th. The outlook for June 31st through June 4th features a trough here near the Aleutians, a ridge over western North America, and also across eastern North America with generally a zone of flow. The GEFS means and the European ensembles forecast a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. During this forecast period, heavy rain is forecast near a boundary across the lower Mississippi Valley, which that's an area that doesn't need any more rain. The ensembles forecast above normal temperatures in the west and east with anomalies at 10 to 20 degrees. And we're going to look at the anomalies for this period. Here we are, 10 to 20 degrees, and most ensembles forecast below normal temperatures in between, except for the Canadian ensembles. Anomalies of 15 to 20 degrees are forecast, as you can see on this map. Go look at the period now for June 3rd to the 7th. Here we are on the 5th, and most of the models are indicating a zone of flow. You can see here. Still have our trough here near the Aleutians and in between the Aleutians and Hawaii. And we're going to go to the end of the period. This will be the 7th. Pretty much a zone of flow with below normal heights across the Gulf of Mexico and the Gulf Coast states. The European ensembles backs this pattern. Other ensembles forecast above normal temperatures for the temperatures in the west and the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this area, and the temperature anomalies. We're forecasting temperatures to be 15 to 25 degrees above normal, with the higher anomalies, as you can see right here, are over the west. And I'm seeing some on the maps that are showing 30 degrees above normal across this area. And below normal temperatures are forecast for the southern plains. Anomalies for this forecast period are about 15 to 20 degrees below normal. We're going to look now at the period for June 8th to the 12th. We're looking at the 8th. Most of the models are forecasting a zone of flow. We still have our trough here near the Aleutians, right here. And most of the models are indicating below normal heights across the Gulf Coast and the Gulf of Mexico. The exception is the Canadian. Let me show you the Canadian. It's forecasting above normal heights across much of the nation with a zone of flow, and a smaller area of negative height anomalies between Alaska and Hawaii. During this forecast period, I am forecasting. I forgot to do the temperature before. For the last business for the period June 3rd to the 7th. Forecast below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation here, and another area here. Now we're going to go back to the period for June 8th to the 12th. The temperature outlook calling for above normal temperatures for much of this area, and the temperature anomalies. Will be about, let me see, this one shows it better, of about up to 25 degrees above normal. for precipitation. I am calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion from May 31st through June 12th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.